Light, the primary clue given to man for revealing the mysteries of the universe. Light that often comes from a place so distant that it left its source long before the Earth existed. Light that has sometimes been traveling so long in space that whatever gave it birth no longer exists. Light from the stars and from our sun. Here, where the Quinlan Mountains jut from the Sonora Desert, is Kitt Peak. Here, the Papagos agreed to lease to the astronomers a place to study the skies. For the astronomers' quest is in keeping with ancient Indian tradition, a search for answers which people of every time and every culture have asked.
The whole problem is, where is the continuum?
The answers lie in the forces above us. Past and present events affect our understanding of the entire universe. The person who searches for those answers at Kitt Peak is far removed from that image of the astronomer of long ago, the bearded old gentleman in a swallowtail coat and stovepipe hat, spending the night on a high stool, peering through a brass eyepiece. Today, only the beard may remain. The swallowtails have given way to the parka and electric suit as protection against the cold night winds sweeping the open dome. The stovepipe hat is now often replaced by the hard hat, protection against the knobs, dials, pipes, and gauges protruding from the telescope. The 84-inch mirror at the National Observatory gathers the light of a star, making it more than 50,000 times brighter than it would be to the naked eye. This perfectly balanced instrument fixes in the astronomer's view a constant point in space, or tracks a planet on its own course as the Earth turns through the nighttime sky. In keeping with the purpose of the observatory, most of the viewing time is assigned to visiting astronomers. And Kitt Peak maintains funds to provide financial assistance to astronomers and qualified graduate students. But all the exotic tools and technology cannot duplicate this, the creative process of a person thinking. And this is what much of astronomy is about. For there is a time when one must stare at the ceiling instead of the stars. Theorizing, interpreting, reasoning, speculating, probing the outer reaches of human knowledge in the laboratory of space so vast that mere instruments cannot cope with it. Because of its mechanical and optical quality and the versatility of its accessories, the 84-inch telescope at Kitt Peak is one of the most powerful on Earth.
Okay, I'm ready. Oh, just be
As the dome took form, 19 stories high, the heart of the telescope was being prepared. A 4-meter mirror made of fused quartz, well over $1 million worth. 15 tons of fused quartz floating delicately on a cushion of air as it was meticulously ground and polished. The tolerance, 1/1,000,000th of an inch. To man, the most powerful light of all, the sun. This is the life giver, the source not just of light, but of warmth, of energy, of the essence of our existence. Yet we have only begun to discover its secrets. To learn the lessons the sun can teach, the largest and most powerful solar telescope on Earth has been erected at Kitt Peak. More than half its length is tunneled deep into the solid stone depth of the mountain.
If we could learn more about our universe and where our sun and our Earth and where we fit in, we could understand more about us. What are we? Are we unique? Are we alone? Where are we going? And why?
Produced by the Association of Universities for Research in Astronomy under contract to the National Science Foundation.